So she's picking flowers, and when the vines are touched by Radharani, they bloom up and they smile with their flowers and they herculate with their sprouts, and they cry streams of tears with their trickling honey. How many jokes Srimati Radha is making with her girlfriends while she picks flowers. Vishaka says, "Hey, Sakhi Radhe, Savadan, Loba Madhusudan, Aviyaro." Be careful, Savadan, this greedy bumblebee Krishna is coming up to you to drink the honey from your moon-like face. Radharani says, because it's a joke. She said, he's a bumblebee and your face is like the moon. She said, if I'm Chandramukhi, what business does a bumblebee have with the Chandramukhi? He wants the flowers of the nectar. That's how she replies. So why should a bumblebee come to me and leave all the fragrant lotus-like faces of beautiful girls like you, Vishaka, and come to Chandramukhi? You said that my face is like the moon. Well, Sakhi, what business why does a bumblebee, a honeybee, even care to smell the fragrance of my face? Why would the bee even feel attracted to it? So this is how girls joke. You know, when girls get together, they joke. And men will never understand unless they change their form. Because girls joke in one way and men joke in another way, or boys and girls together, they joke in another way. So there's three-tier joking. Lady joking, everyone knows. And then men joking. Ladies are joking about the men and each other and their in-laws and mother-in-laws and whatnot. In-laws, outlaws, and all the laws. And then men are joking about whatever, each other. After some time, Radha Madhav come to a jeweled mandap under a huge Keli Kadamba tree, Kalpavriksha tree. Then Radha Shyam sit down on a jeweled platform, and Radhika makes ornaments from different flowers. Radharani is like the Sarva Lakshmayi. She's the queen of the queen of the queen, Vrindavaneshwari. She's the empress, she's the ruler. And whenever you have a king and a queen, the queen has thousands and thousands of maidservants and handmaidens, and the king has thousands of male servants. And they live like a king, they live like a queen. They don't do anything but enjoy. But here is Vrindavaneshwari Radharani, and every time we're reading about her, she's doing this service, and she's doing that service, and she's doing this service. Seva, 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 seva. And Krishna is dancing, Krishna is smiling, Krishna is playing, Krishna is looking, and he's playing his flute simply to please Radharani and to serve her. Because Radharani's greatest pleasure and greatest service is Shyam.